We've just acquired this BMW M140i facelift model, finished in the best colour, ESTORIL blue, M series brake calipers and discs, alloy wheels in anthracite, absolutely unmarked. It's absolutely stunning condition. The twin exhaust pipes has been de-resinated, so it sounds a little bit louder than normal. Rear park distance control, a lovely M140 badge. You can see the boot, well looked after with the carpet mats there. Step inside the car, got the M140 decals, full leather interior. Sounds gorgeous. Some 24,009 miles. So we've got the map, satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, air conditioning that's blowing nice and cold, different ways of driving it, Eco, Pro, Sport or Comfort mode, fully automatic, we have paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, M leather badge, steering wheel, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights, absolutely stunning. Also has multimedia, Bluetooth, AUX and USB. It's just going to be MOT'd and just serviced. Absolutely stunning car throughout. It is really faultless. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.